This ARC Advanced Royal Champion ARC Nonstick Frying Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick surface. Therefore, cooking and cleaning become easy tasks. The 10-inch skillet is a versatile option. It is perfect for various cooking needs. The inclusion of a lid is a bonus. It helps trap heat and moisture for better cooking results. This pan can handle your breakfast eggs. It can also manage more complex dishes. The removable handle is a smart feature. It allows for easy transition from stovetop to oven. This ARC Advanced Royal Champion ARC Nonstick Skillet is oven safe. Remember to remove the handle first. The removable handle also saves space. Storing the pan becomes more convenient. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. The pan is PFOA-free. This gives peace of mind about your health and safety. This ARC Advanced Royal Champion ARC Nonstick Pan works on induction cooktops. It is also compatible with other heat sources. The dimensions are just right for everyday cooking. It's neither too big nor too small. While inventory may vary, this type of pan is often in demand. It's a reliable option for both new and experienced cooks. Consider this pan to achieve your cooking goal. It offers a blend of convenience and performance. Pros: includes a lid, oven safe, no handle, dishwasher safe, no handle, PFOA-free, induction ready, easy to clean, fast heat transfer, includes accessories. Cons: lid handle might trap food, apron may be too small, spatula might scratch, tongs could be flimsy, dishwasher cleaning might shorten lifespan, oven use has temperature limits, removable handle has a release risk, durability over time is unknown. Features: non-stick surface, removable handle, includes a lid, oven safe, no handle, dishwasher safe, no handle, PFOA-free, induction compatible 10-inch size, aluminum base, stainless steel. This 10-inch ARC Advanced Royal Champion frying pan has a non-stick surface, so food will slide off easily. It comes with a lid to trap heat and moisture while cooking. The handle can be taken off, making it safe to use in the oven and easy to clean in the dishwasher. This pan is made with an aluminum base and stainless steel and can be used on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. It's also made without PFOA, a chemical some people worry about. The ARC Advanced Royal Champion Nonstick Frying Pan is a 10-inch skillet that comes with a lid and a removable handle, making it oven and dishwasher safe when the handle is off. It's PFOA-free and works on induction cooktops, offering fast and even heating and easy cleaning. However, some of the included accessories, like the apron, spatula, and tongs, might have issues with size or quality, and dishwasher cleaning could potentially shorten the pan's life. While the removable handle adds versatility, there's a chance it could accidentally detach. And how long the pan will last overall is not yet known.